crazy times we're living in, guys, that we have to wear stuff like this to go to the store. So I'm gonna take you to the store. So that's where I'm going. I'm going to the store. My glasses is fogging up when I talk, but I'm gonna take you to the store with me, and I'm just gonna get just a few little things. So I hear that Walmart is only letting 50 people in at a time. So we're gonna see how crazy it is down here. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the road, and there's still traffic out at 7:27 at night. We are officially on a lockdown. Essential needs and businesses only, with some activities and exercises and stuff like that. I'm in North Carolina. So they are expecting some rough weeks ahead across the nation with this COVID-19 coronavirus. So we just pray for the families and pray for the people that gets it and gets infected. Pray that they heal from it, and that these numbers do not exceed the numbers that they're saying it's going to. So yeah, enough talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and see what kind of traffic's on the road here as we're going to Walmart. This is what it looks like to go to the store on COVID-19, guys. This. Hey there, Bella! Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come on. This is how we have to social distance visiting my mom. My glasses is fogging up. My glasses is fogging up. Yeah. I think this is. Oh, you standing on my hand. No, I think this is 10 feet. What do you think? I think it's 10 feet. Yep. I think so. Hey there, Belly. Mika. Come here, Mixie. What's up with all these vans here? It's kind of crazy. Anybody, you guys know why all these vans are here? Let me know. They're all from South Carolina. Tags are. It's kind of interesting. No names on them, I don't think. Let's see. Some kind of last mile, like postal mile service. But it's a lot of them. I mean, look. This is me in Walmart, guys. I'm not the only one really wearing this stuff, though. I don't really see anybody else wearing this. Alright, guys. I just came out of Walmart. It wasn't too bad. The crowds wasn't that bad. So, sitting here in my car now, fixing to head back to the house. And the next video that you're fixing to see is going to be of the pre-lockdown. It's going to be of Charlotte, North Carolina, right before the lockdown hit all of North Carolina. So that is coming up right now. There's a shot of some freeways. Taking you into downtown Charlotte. It's a pretty cool little sign there. That graveyard right there, you can see. Give you a shot of some of the downtown. Actually, more people out than I thought it was going to be. So like I said, there's a lot more people out down here than I thought there would be. There is a lot to record here in Charlotte, but we'll get out and look at this, guys. This is a tavern. Do you guys know if Charlotte's going to put a curfew this weekend?
Everything changes.